Hey, what's up, guys? Today is June 1st. Today is the famous June 1st. Today is a very special day for me. Today is really special.
Yes, today is the day, June 1st. It's like the moment that we've all been waiting for as moderators, as admin. So in order to celebrate June 1st, a few of the admin and moderators got together and threw a few videos together and sent them over to me and tasked me with the idea of putting them all together. So enough of FaceTime for me. I'll let you handle the other moderators.
The cat's out the bag. You guys finally know why we've been doing this countdown. I want to thank all of our members.
Thanks to everyone for joining.
I want to thank everybody for joining us, all 58,000 members that we have.
I want to thank everyone for joining our stash group, contributing, commenting, posting.
Keep up the good work. You guys make it cool. You guys make investing fun.
I remember a year ago today, I had 20 members. I remember I was just begging people to come join the group. I was begging people, spamming everywhere. So, right now we at almost 60K. So, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the members being with us. I appreciate my mods, keeping the group clean. Keith, I love you, man, for real, man. I love you, man, You're the man. Janelle, I love you too, baby. You're the best thing that ever happened to me, besides Keith.
What up, guys? 1 year anniversary for the stash page. That is awesome. And you know what? That wouldn't be possible without every single one of you. Why? Because if you guys weren't on here, then Ralph would be the only one on here, and that would just be boring.
Those from the beginning to now, happy anniversary. We've helped each other and are growing continuously. And that's what it's always been about. So we will continue to learn from each other and make our group better as we go along. So thank you to everyone that has been a part of our stash family.
It's great teaching you guys. I've learned a lot from you. I'm sure you guys learned a little bit from me. If not, I'll try my best in the second year. Anyways, thank you for being a part of our group. I appreciate it.
Hope everyone is having a great time stashing.
It's the first time ever I've done a video in my life, but I'm doing it for stash. Happy stash 1 year anniversary. Be patient. Hold for the long term if you can. God bless everyone. Stay healthy. Have a great day. Thank you again.
To my homie Christian, I love you, man, too. Even though you talk a lot of crap about corporate cannabis, I still love you, man. Stop talking about corporate cannabis, man. That's whack.
I've met a lot of people through this Facebook group and through, being a moderator helped a little bit. I like every single one of you. I love talking with you guys. Even if we disagree, it's always insightful to me, and then I dig deeper into whatever we're talking about. Keep up the good work. Keep keeping it positive. Keep teaching people or telling people what you guys are learning. Pumped you guys are here. I am truly pumped. You guys know you're not getting out of a video without hearing this from me, but keep up the research, because that's how you learn things. You research something, share it to the Facebook page.
I really don't know what to say. I still can't believe that this has been an entire year. First of all, I just wanted to say happy anniversary. There was a time when I didn't know about Stash Investors Group. It was around 700 members. Actually, let me see if I can find the post. Okay, obviously I'm not gonna find it in there. It was actually posted to my YouTube channel. What I'll do is I'll just throw it up right here. The group, when I joined, had 700 members. Do you guys understand how much growth that is? I gotta say thank you to 58,000 people. And I would be the first to go around and say thank you to every single person. But you guys pretty much know that that would be my entire life over the next year. I'm gonna try my best to do it right here. First of all, thank you, Ralph, for reaching out to me, spamming my YouTube. Second, thank you to our other admin, Janelle, for picking up where Ralph and I fall short. And to the other moderators, Christian, Cameron, Nicole, Chris, Tim. I mean, the list could go on. Devin. There's tons of people that have had influence in my life over the past year on this group. And lastly, to the members, you have helped create this beautiful group. And I think Cameron said it best. Without you guys, this group would literally be Ralph, and that would be boring. You know, it's hard, but I just want to say thank you.
To my members, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Y'all the best. Thank you for being faithful with us. Thank you for being here with us. And to Stash, thank you for believing in me. Thank you for calling me. Thank you for adding the group to the app. Thank you to Ed for believing in me. Thank you all, guys. June 1st, today's our anniversary. 1 year old. We hitting 60K. Hopefully by next year, we're gonna be 300. Peace, guys. I love you. Stay up.
First of all, it would be awesome if you guys could post down in the comments thank you to Ralph and actually tag him in your post. And then second of all, the second thing to get 2 points is please let me know what you learned last year from being a part of this group. Now it's your turn. Get busy commenting, get busy slapping the like button, feel free to share, and I look forward to seeing you all out on the Stash Investors group. Thank you.